Welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to customize Control Center shortcuts using the iPhone 13 Pro. On the iPhone, you can access the Control Center by swiping down in the top right. From here, there are different shortcuts at the bottom that you can customize yourself. To do that, go to Settings, go down to Control Center, and here you can remove or add different shortcuts. And that is how to customize shortcuts in the Control Center on the iPhone 13 Pro.